residence, which company and individuals. Here we want a registration number plate of the towing vehicle, towed the vehicle to the police station, and at what time. We as a family fully support the calls for the engagement of foreign help, that is the FBI or Scotland Yard, to assist in the investigations of Jacob's assassination. We are also looking to engage the services of a private investigator. In view of this, we wish to ask the Minister for Security, Hon Kaiseri, and the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Boynet, to provide us with the following. Number one, the CCTV footage of Jacob's car tracked to Gong Road on the night of Thursday, May the 5th. Number two, the mobile telephone data detailing the various mobile operator locator masts Jacob's phone traveled through on the night of May 5th and morning of May 6th. We ask only these two things for now. We shall be requesting more information in due course and look forward to your cooperation on the above. Thank you.
End of statement.
And for now, this was a family conference. We are not taking any questions for now until further notice. Thank you.
May I ask something? We would like to be respected. I know you are members of the press. Please don't write things that you cannot comprehend. Yes. Thank you.
You'll get a copy. You'll get a copy of this statement. How many media houses are present? Give three. Thank you. So from here, the body is being taken to Houston Airport, where it will be flown to Kakamega. And then from Kakamega it will be flown to Bungoma. So from Bungoma it will be then flown home. And the family are going to be accompanying the body all through. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tunaweza kubeba mwili.